today was, and was it really worth it traveling all the way here?
Can I start?
Sir, introduce yourself first.
Yeah.
Name, area, and OMC.
Yeah. My name is Kadirvel. I am from Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. It was here great pleasure for me to be in the repos, and I have learned a lot of things from here, that how to run a business without credit, and it will be very helpful for me in the future to increase the business. And we have to convert the customers from credit to future of cash and credit from the bank side where they can get. And there are a lot of people who don't know about this credit facilities. It is almost like a credit card where we are using it for 15 days credit, and 7 days credit is freely given without any interest or any subscription fees, with the associate of repos in a joint venture with the banks. So it was a great day for me over here. Thank you.
So, your dealer friends, do you recommend this workshop?
I am from GOPB, and I refer in future to all my dealers to make use of this opportunity, and I would suggest them to visit this place so that they'll have more knowledge about this datum and the browser, what they're manufacturing over here, and it'll be a great use for them. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.